How much should you actually spend on a fifth-wheel hitch? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, B&W Companion RVK 3500. First up is the B&W Trailer Hitches Companion Fifth-Wheel Hitch RVK 3500. Priced at $1,099, it caught my eye because of its stellar 4.8-star rating from 827 reviews. If you want a top-notch towing experience, this is worth a serious look. This hitch is designed for serious towing. Its fully articulating head allows for front-to-back and side-to-side pivoting, which is essential for smooth maneuvers. Plus, it boasts a whopping 20,000 pounds gross trailer weight capacity, meaning you can tackle heavy loads without worry. The cam-action latching handle makes it easy to release even on unlevel ground, perfect for those tricky campsites. And let's not forget the polyurethane bushings that provide a quiet, rattle-free experience, which is a huge relief on long trips. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A smooth towing experience reduces stress and can even improve fuel efficiency. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep. Here's the thing though, this hitch is built like a tank and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. If you're serious about towing, investing in quality is worth it. This is perfect for you if you own a heavy trailer and need something reliable. Skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly without serious towing needs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who have a Ford truck and want seamless compatibility. Product number 2, B&W Companion RVK 3300. Next up, we have the B&W Trailer Hitches 20K Companion OEM Fifth Wheel Hitch RVK 3300. At $1,199, it's a bit pricier, but it's specifically designed for Ford owners with OEM puck systems, which is pretty appealing. This hitch also features a fully articulating head and a cam-action latching handle, making it easy to use, even on unlevel sites. With a 20,000 pounds GTW and 5,000 pounds VTW, it provides similar heavy-duty performance to the last one. This matters because if you're planning to tow heavy loads, you need a hitch that won't let you down. It's also powder-coated for durability, which means it can endure the elements without rusting or corroding. Now, some reviews mention that it requires precise installation, which can be frustrating if you're not a DIY expert. However, if you follow the instructions, it's manageable, and many users report it's worth the effort for the performance you get. This is great for you if you own a Ford with an OEM puck system and want compatibility with high towing capacity. Skip it if you don't have a compatible truck or prefer to save some cash. Now, if the price on the last hitch bothered you, this next one is a fantastic mid-range option that still delivers quality. Product number 3, Curt E16 Fifth Wheel Hitch. Now, let's chat about the Curt 16115 E16 Fifth Wheel Hitch, priced at $346.99. With a solid 4.4 stars from 300 reviews, it provides a nice balance of quality and affordability. This hitch is rated for 16,000 pounds, making it suitable for lighter trailers. It pivots on dual axes, allowing for 10 degrees of lateral movement, which is a game changer for those twisting roads. The automatic locking mechanism ensures a secure coupling, so you don't have to worry about anything coming loose while you're on the road. Plus, it operates with a single handle, making it super user-friendly. Here's why this matters. Ease of use translates to safer towing and less stress during setup. However, some users noted that it can be noisy during towing. I'll be real with you. If you're looking for a quieter experience, this might not be your top choice. But for the price, the performance is generally solid enough that many find it acceptable. This is ideal for you if you want a budget-friendly hitch that still gets the job done. Skip this one if you prioritize a quieter towing experience. Alright, if you like the price point but want something even more robust, check out our next option. Product number 4, Curt Q25 Wheel Hitch. Coming in next is the Curt 16130 Q25 Wheel Hitch, priced at $599.99 and rated 4.7 stars by 124 reviews. This one caught my attention for its advanced features and solid build. With a 20,000 pounds rating, this hitch is perfect for heavy-duty towing. It also boasts a spherical axial bearing that allows the head to tilt in any direction, promoting a quieter tow. The 3-position coupling indicator is a brilliant feature, letting you know if you're coupled, uncoupled, or ready to tow at a glance. This is especially helpful when hooking up solo. The easy operation with a lockable handle means you don't have to struggle with setup. On the downside, some users mentioned it's heavier than they expected, which can make installation a bit cumbersome. But if you're willing to put in the work, many claim the performance is well worth the effort. This hitch is great for you if you need a high-capacity hitch with excellent features. Skip it if you prefer a lightweight option or don't want to deal with heavy lifting. Now, if you want something that's also heavy-duty but with a different set of features, let's check out our last contender. Product number 5, Curt A16 fifth-wheel hitch. Last but not least, we have the Curt 16120, a 16 fifth-wheel hitch, priced at $736.95 with a 4.5-star rating from 114 reviews. This one is a great option if you're looking for a hitch that balances performance and value. This hitch also has a 16,000 pounds rating, but it features a cast yoke with poly torsion inserts to suppress shock loads, making for a smoother ride. The fully articulating torsion head provides controlled coupling, which is crucial for stability while towing. Plus, the lockable handle resets to the ready-to-couple position after uncoupling, which is super convenient. However, some users found the installation instructions a bit lacking, which can be frustrating. But if you're handy or willing to troubleshoot, it's manageable. The quality of the ride makes it worth the effort for many. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable hitch that offers a smooth towing experience. Skip it if you're not comfortable with some DIY installation. Now let's wrap this up and compare all of these great hitches. So, to recap, the B&W Companion RVK 3500 and RVK 3300 are premium choices for heavy-duty towing. The Curt E16 offers budget-friendly reliability. The Curt Q20 brings advanced features, and the Curt A16 balances performance with value. Each hitch has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose the one that fits your towing needs best.